has been growing at double-digit figures, fueled by increasing appetite for high-quality content that is relatable to local culture or heritage. This is a joy for those in the 3D animation space, as our reporter Allan Aoko narrates in this week's episodes of Tech One.
Cedric Price, a famous British architect, once said, "If technology is the answer, then what is the question?" And today, we seek to answer the question of 3D animation in the country. The global 3D animation market size was valued at 1.8 trillion shillings in 2020 and is projected to grow by 11.7% annually over the next 7 years. According to the latest Grand View research, the global 3D animation market size is expected to more than double to 4.4 trillion shillings by the year 2028. These figures remain foreign, at least for Kenya, where 3D animation is just developing.
3D animation is still, we could say, it's still at a nascent age. I don't know whether that's the right word. There's still few practitioners, few full-time practitioners, but it's growing. There's some recognition, there's been some ads, and a little bit of short-form communication. You can also
meet Josephat Nyakundi from 3D Africa in studio working on a client's project.
Then I'm just going to do a test render.
Nyakundi says despite industry drawbacks, Kenyans have begun embracing stories told from their own perspectives.
I think if you look at the two last 3D animated projects that we did Lady Moran, which was nominated for a Kalasha. We came second. We came second on the voting platform, and then we have also done the new Book of Ka, which is an animated series which we are showing through our pay-per-view site www.bookofka.com. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to bring awareness and at the same time tap into these stories that Kenyans want to hear, they want to watch, and not necessarily every Kenyan, but those who are fans of 3D animation and gaming.
Given the growing adoption of visual effects technology in movies and games and increasing demand for high-quality animation, Nyakundi expects a promising future for animators.
If you want to jump into the professional space, there may be additional investment. But if you are at the basic level, there shouldn't be a real barrier in terms of how you can acquire the equipment. There's also resource centers like the Kenya Film Commission. They have a fully furnished resource center for 3D animation. You can book a space there. In fact, I think right now there's not so much traffic. You can get a whole day with a machine, produce something.
Nyakundi tells us that, for instance, a 24-minute 3D animation episode, depending on custom designs and client specifications, will cost you not less than 400,000 shillings.
Invest in 3D animation, invest in gaming. Because currently what we are doing is trying to show that there is a viable business opportunity. Because if you look at majority of the games and animations that are being shown throughout the world on international platforms, there is a lot of investment.
Even as animators like Nyakundi hope that most Kenyans will embrace 3D animation, he says the industry now needs business support and favorable policies. The very unique space of 3D animation, and of course we're looking forward to the growth of this industry, and of course we keep on updating you as the viewer about this technological space and exciting things within this area. I'm Allan Aoko for Tech One.